Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And coming with the Sasquatch package, it gives you 35-inch tires sitting on some bead locker rims. You also have sliders or rock sliders down below, four-door configuration and soft top. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have your rear gate opens to the side with your full-size spare on the back, and inside you have decent room that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. You have a 12-volt power outlet, tie-down points on all four corners with a little lasso on there, and this opens up to reveal your jack and some spare room. You also have your door bags, because of course the doors are removable and you want to keep them safe. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with marine-grade vinyl, so it's going to keep the water out. And in the middle you have USB, USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. The backs of the seats also have MOLLE rigging here, where you can hook equipment onto, and little mesh pouches. Underneath the floor mats you have rubberized floor with drain plugs, so no need to worry about water getting in and staying in. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. It does also have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, very important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls spread out among both sides. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your vehicle. And above that you have some of your 4x4 controls. You have your sway bar disconnect, front and rear locking differentials, trail turn assist, which will assist you in making tighter turns, traction control shut off, hazards, and your mounting point for your accessory rail. If you want to put like a GoPro or something up there, you can. Moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view, again 360 and front facing camera, auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Down below that you have this cubby with a USB and USB-C, and then you have one of your grab handles. You have one on either side of the dash as well, so you can hold on while you're going over bumpy terrain. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, two cup holders, and your 4x4 controls with 4 high, low, and auto, and trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, and your drive mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, so you still want to be able to control your mirrors, and lockable center compartment because you want to keep your stuff secure, with a removable tray, 12-volt power outlet inside, and plenty of room. And then, I believe, last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.